Hey traders, this is Jeff from ZenTrader.ca with a weekend update. I want to talk timing signal right now, and here is where I issued a buy signal on my free market timing newsletter. If any of you guys aren't on it and you want to be on it, you can just go right to ZenTrader.ca and sign up on the right, or you can go to ZenTrader.net and that'll take you directly to a sign up where you can get on that. So let me tell you why you may want to be on that. Here it issued a buy signal 15 minutes after the market opened on Friday. I said add to your longs. We want a pyramid up, and basically the market just proceeded to just rally right off here. Now what this enables you to do is know, okay, if we go below these levels, then number one, you're done adding to your longs at this point in time, because that's this will be kind of like a line in the sand and say, okay, we go below there, we're either getting out or setting a hard stop here, because you never want to let this gain turn into a loss. Now, nobody knows whether this market's going to continue to go higher. I would say the odds of a late week in August, when a lot of people are on vacation, it generally has a bullish bias, so I would think that we're going to go up. But I don't know. Joe Johnson on the street, he doesn't know. All you can do is have a system in place to try to add to your gains. So this trade, when we got long here, this worked. We had a little bit of a pullback, pulled back to the 40 on the RSI, and there are a lot of things that look really bullish. You can see here how the Dow bounced off this trend line. When the 4 EMA went above the upper Keltner channel, I said we could be in for a little bit of a pullback, and we got it, and that's just what it was, a little bit of a pullback right now. But I think it's critical that the markets find their footing here and go above this high at 3,100. I think we need to get above there, continue higher, maintain the momentum, and I think we'll be okay. The 3-line break chart on the NASDAQ Composite, it's bullish, it's rising. We had a period here where it was digesting these gains and looked like it could roll over, and it kind of broke out. Now it looks like these previous highs in March, I think I'm eyeballing that, March, early April, look to be a magnet. Will we get there? I'm not sure. The Trix is kind of waffling, but I think we will, and I think we could get there possibly this week. I've seen it happen. Low volume, late August trading. It's sometimes not the easiest to trade, but if you're in some positions and you've got profits and you're just basically managing the trade, sometimes the best thing to do is to do nothing and just let the market decide. Let the market take you out, either with an upside profit target or with a stop. Now these next two charts, these are kind of warning signals that the trend could be getting a little long in the tooth. This is the McClellan oscillator behind the S&P, and you can see here there was a trend line here. We were making higher highs, kind of like some peaks and valleys here, and then we kind of broke through that. And so if you imagine this line extending out, this is an area where the market could rally up, and that's where it could run into some problems. The NASDAQ high-low indicator, there is some serious negative divergence here. So this black line is the actual NASDAQ, and the indicator in this area behind it is really showing a series of lower highs as the market continues to rally back up to previous highs. This is, I'm going to be talking about this until this until this peak gets above this peak and we start to see some higher highs. This is a major area of concern for me. And then finally, this is just a trade suggestion. I like TBT as a long trade here. This is a ratio chart. This is very much like the ratio chart that I posted on gold over the weekend. And this is TBT with the ratio of SPX. And I think it's shown enough that it's broken this downtrend and it's pulled back. And I think this offers a pretty low risk reward trade